Sometimes when you buy factory customs, you get rewarded with some cool die casts which aren't actually official products, but sometimes you also take the risk. This one was a risk and then also a reward, because there would have been a small chance I would have actually gotten this version of Lightning McQueen here, which is the Cars 1 Radiator Springs version in black. This one here is the Cars 3 Radiator Springs Lightning McQueen in black. I will go into, some, differences in a few minutes here. But yeah, so basically I was on TeeMu the other day and went through, what cars they had for sale. There was quite a few different ones. And then I spotted this one and also this Radiator Springs Lightning McQueen here. Both in the Cars 3 bodies. So, really, really cool stuff. I'm not doing a video on the Cars 3 one, the Cars 3 Radiator Springs, because nothing really too special. We're mainly going to be talking about this one right here in today's video. And my video yesterday on the NASCAR chase didn't really do too well. So let's get straight into this video right now. So yeah, I got this guy from TeeMu for about £3.50, around those lines. Very, very cheap. So yeah, I guess let's take a closer look at him now and actually compare him to a regular Radiator Springs Lightning McQueen, which is this one to the right here, which is made in Thailand from 2024, I believe. Yeah, 2024. So yeah, you can see some differences straight off the bat. Obviously, incorrect mold. This is obviously made in China, and for the first time ever, I've gotten these weird batch code numbers, like it says here 1579584. Date of production 2024 for the 1st. So that's the 4th day of January, I believe, of 2024. But these weren't really revealed until recently. So that is very, very strange indeed. Maybe these are like a TeeMu exclusive. But yeah, we can see here which one does it better. Ignore the fact that this is an official and this is the fake. Yeah, we know which one does it better. But going over to the comparison of the Cars 1 molded version now. Going to zoom out slightly so that you guys can see the two differences here. Black rims still, 95 is still there. Obviously the lightning bolt, there's a bit of yellow around the Cars 1 version, whereas on the Cars 3 variant it's so thin and they almost look like they're stickers. If you rub your fingers, thumbs over them, they feel like they're stickers, but they're not. Also, we got the sponsors down here: Piston Cup, Lily Tocky Pistons, Revolting, Mood Springs, and Nostal, which are the ones that were seen in Cars 1, obviously. Fuel cap is actually missing on the Cars 3 molded version, whilst the logo looks pretty much the same, although this one might be a little bit blurrier than this one. We got Rusty's 95 on the back here. Obviously Cars 3 mold to the Cars 1 mold. It doesn't have the bumper ointment underneath the Rusty's there. So there is some differences. Obviously the headlights are slightly different, whereas they are orange to, yellow, and then yellow to red on some of them. There's a look at the other side. Taking a close look at the hood bonnet here. So yeah, you could tell which one has more of a glossy finish, which is this one here, as you can see the reflection for the light. And this matte one here, I prefer the glossy version, way much more better. Yeah, taking a close look at the medicated Rusty's bumper ointment logos, they are pretty much the same. The 95 on the top, again the same. I do like the windows on this one because you can sort of almost see through them. That makes any sense to you guys? Yeah. This one here is a children's toy car, as you can see. So let's peel this off now on this McQueen. Swear at times to speed the video because it takes forever. There we go. Got that off and it's upside down. Model car made in China. So yeah, this isn't an official product, because if we take a close look at the Thailand one, we can see Disney Pixar made in Thailand, 2021, Mattel. All the product code information compared to just a model car made in China, which technically is correct. So yeah, there is a few other versions I wanted to compare them to. This is the Mini Racer Silver variant. It would be so cool just to get a factory custom of this one at one day. Just really, really cool. Obviously there is the Stunt Racers version, which I have shown off in a video before. There is this Cars 1 McQueen here in silver, which should have been the Cars 3 mould with more of like a matte finish. So I did get a refund for this guy, although it is slightly different to the one I had previously, so shh, I don't know about that. There are some other variants of McQueen from Radiator Springs. We've got the pink sprayed version. We have the regular version here, which is really, really cool. We also have the Vietnamese version, which looks absolutely terrible. Yep, it does say Vietnam there. One of the worst variants just in general. And you know what, for the sake of it, I'm just going to show off this guy at the end, because I'm not really going to do a video on him. But yep, you can see here, it is literally the same. Although this one has a fuel cap here. Maybe... no, there is no fuel cap on the black version. So that is really, really weird indeed. See there again, it's the back. And again, the lights on the side are slightly different colour. So that's why you always get these cars. And does it say... oh yeah, it also has this thing there. But that one was a lot easier to peel off. Like, again, it says model car made in China. So exactly the same. Just that this one is red and this one is black. Anyways guys, that is the end of today's video. I don't usually upload on a Thursday, but you know, I just had to for this video because, you know, I wanted to be one of the first to show off this McQueen in an actual video. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, everybody, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all of that stuff. Let's hit 27,500 subscribers before 2026. Until the next video, peace everybody.